There are many times in our life when we finish a project and then we look around at what God gave us to do. God gave us a plan. God put a plan in our heart. We went and we did that plan that God put within our heart. And now we finished the plan that God put in our heart. And now that it's finished, we see there's another need. And that is exactly the situation that Nehemiah finds himself in. He's finished rebuilding the walls of Jerusalem. And now in chapter 7, verse 4, at that time, the city was large and spacious, but the population was small, and none of the houses had been rebuilt. So my God gave me the idea. So my God gave me the idea. I love that in the New Living Translation. My God gave me the idea. God is a God of ideas. Now, there are times you're going to do everything God asked you to do. The plan God put in your heart is finished. And now you're going to look around and go, well, yeah, it's finished, but nobody's enjoying it yet. The city is empty, and the people should enjoy the city. And then God gave him an idea how to repopulate the city and rebuild the homes within the city. Now, the main thing I want you to see today is, my God will give me an idea. When you're looking at things and, okay, what do I do now? Trust God to give you an idea. God is the God of ideas. I mean, please forgive me. God is creative. He's full of new ideas. When you look at a problem, trust God to give you an idea. When you see the problem, look from the problem that you're seeing to God and say, okay, God, I see the problem. I can define the problem. Now, Father, I open my heart to you. It's time for you to give me an idea in Jesus' name. He's the God of new ideas.